Then it goes to proxy server, and after the proxy server, then it goes to main server, and after that it goes retrieve code to proxy
In a computer network, a proxy server is a computer system or application. Mostly when we say that there is an IP, for hiding our IP, we can use a proxy. So whenever the black hat hackers want to perform a task, they can use an IP server or some terminals or tunnels to hide themselves. Because whenever someone is attacking on someone's ID or website, so if the IP is catch up by the victim person, so they can trace it very easily and they can find the detail about that. So for this case, proxy servers are used. We can use the proxy servers both by software and both by website. There are some websites that we can use the proxy terms, and also there are some softwares that we can use and perform the proxy. So uses, what are the uses of proxy? To keep machines behind to anonymous. So whenever we want to use proxy, we want to hide ourselves. So whenever we are hiding ourselves, it's not anonymous. And also to speed up access to resources using catch-up. Sometimes proxy servers are dedicated to the main server. So whenever an IP or the internet protocol that we are using, its speed is down. So if we have a proxy and it is mainly dedicated to the server, so we can speed up our internet connection also. And also it can be used to prevent downloading the some content from multiple times and for multitasking. So when and at some websites, the filtering system used. Filtering system means that whenever someone wants to block some website to accessing from the server, they can block it. So for unblocking this filtering system, we can use proxy server also. At the most of college, I think in your college maybe there are some website block it. Anybody can use YouTube on the Wi-Fi of college? YouTube is blocked, right? Because of filtering. Because of filtering, it's blocked from the IT system. It's blocked. So if we use a proxy server, we can unblock these websites that they are blocked.
Excuse me.
So it will also take a practical demo on the websites that we can use a proxy. It's an anonymouser.ru. Basically, it's a Russian website, and there are lots of proxies and ports also. Whenever we want to perform a proxy, we need two things. One is port and another is proxy number. Proxy number is same like an IP address that we are using that IP as per our ID, and our IP is hiding. So whenever our IP is hidden, so we can use that IP address as a proxy server. So anonymouser.ru, if you want to filter some website or if you want to get access on some website, you can log into, you can open that anonymouser.ru. In this website, you can find some proxy list. There are lots of proxy lists, and it's updating every hour. So there are lots of proxies. The caller server can block this website also. But you guys can do one thing. You can get a copy of all the proxy addresses into Notepad, and you can run it by yourself. Whenever the website will be blocked or it's not blocked, you can run it by yourself also. And another is the software Elite Proxy Switcher. By Elite Proxy Switcher, we can upload some proxies and with ports also. So whenever we upload that particular IPs on the software, proxies on the software, we get access to that software, that IPs. So we can hide ourselves by the Elite Proxy Switcher software. Another amazing thing is fake mailer. Whenever we want to send a fake mail to our desired email ID or to the desired email ID, we can use the fake mailer system. In this fake mailer system, you can use every subject and prefix of domain names to send the email ID to the victim person. So at the most of times, whenever hackers, black hat hackers, want to send some emails for the victim, especially it's used for phishing, because we can send an email from info@facebook.com, or we can send some email from accounts@yahoo.com. In every email ID, do you know, in each and every email ID, we can send by fake mailer email IDs. So the websites are given. There are one MKIE called CZ. It's a website. You can use a fake mailer website. It's a fake mailer website. and another is anonymouser.in/fake-mailer. So by this website you can use fake mails also. The most important thing is that whenever we are using any fake mailer to send a fake mail, so the IP is being captured. Whenever we are abusing from this website, so everybody can report against us about us because our IP is captured by that website. So whenever we are sending an email to a fake person or to anyone we want, our IP is being captured by the website security. And then last, if everybody is having question, you guys can contact us. It's internationalhackingtraining.tk. It's my website. And Mr. Nathan is also partner, and another team members are also partners. So you guys can send us email, and the topics are being uploaded on this website also. And H4CK3R@9CN. It's also my email ID. You guys can contact us by our email ID, and any query about the ethical hacking, you guys can ask. And another is milad_niazi@ymail.com, and you can contact me on this email ID also. So now we are going to the practical demos for the phishing.
किसको फिशिंग कैसे करते हैं?
फेसबुक का किसका? मेरा कर लो, आ जाओ शर्मा कर रहा है।
इंटरेस्ट नहीं बना पा रहा है।
मैं बिल्कुल सबसे पहले तो थ्री दफा भी बोलूँगा। अब नहीं है फेसबुक में। देखना ऊपर देख क्या लिखा है, फेसबुक में लिखा ना चश्मा दूँ
मुझे मैं चाहूँगा अपना फेसबुक के पास निकल से करता हूँ।
So,
कुछ
in
गलत
example of phishing, you guys can see this Facebook page, and there's a required email ID or phone and password. So anybody can enter their email ID and password to log in.
Thank you.
Any idea about how to identify it's a fake or it's a phishing page? Any idea?
By wrong password.
Web address bar is.
एड्रेस बार देख के।
See the URL. The URL of Facebook is it's IT jobs for you. It's not a Facebook.com. So whenever someone wants to attack, I can say it's a Facebook.com. How to identify?
बोलते हाथ खड़ा करना। फेसबुक पे
From leading section, nobody is answering. Why?
हाथ खड़ा करना है सर। चिल्लाना।
भाई सुन ले।
हाथ खड़ा कर रख। जब फिशिंग परफॉर्म होता है तो भैया ने अपना ईमेल आईडी और पासवर्ड डाला और ऊपर से लॉगिन भी क्लिक किया। लॉगिन के बाद मैं ये www.facebook.com से रिडायरेक्ट हुआ, जो कि मेन वेबसाइट है। इसमें जब वैसे आपको परफॉर्म करना चाहिए, जब भी आप परफॉर्म करना चाहते हैं तो facebook.com से आपको रिडायरेक्ट करेगा मेन पेज पे, क्योंकि किसी को शक नहीं होगा कि ये फेक पेज है या ओरिजिनल है। इसके हिसाब से और आप मेरे पास भैया का पासवर्ड दिया गया है और ईमेल आईडी भी। मैं डिस्पैच नहीं करना चाहता हूँ ऐसे, क्योंकि डेमो दिखा रहा हूँ तो ये तो हाई ही रहेगा। तो बस मैं दिखा रहा हूँ आपको कैसे है उसको खोल।
तो अपनी ईमेल आईडी कुछ नहीं करना, ईमेल आईडी खोलेगा अभी अपनी ईमेल आईडी पे एक मेल आई होगी, कुछ नहीं करना होता, मेल का सिंटैक्स होता है